Are you preparing for the TELC A2 exam and wondering how the marks are calculated in your Heron section particularly? Then this video is for you. So in this video, I will explain how the marks are calculated in this particular Heron section of TELC A2 exam. And do the examiners give the marks, or there is an answer sheet official? Everything we are going to discuss here. So without wasting any time, we'll just start with the video. So we'll see point by point how the marks are evaluated here. So you will get to know what to look for. Now, who marks the Heron section? First point. The Heron section is an objective test. Just understand this. This means there is an official answer key. Okay, we were discussing. So there is an official answer key, and according to that, the marks will be given to you. Your answer sheet is compared with this answer sheet. For every correct answer, you receive the assigned point, and for every incorrect or unanswered question, you receive 0 points. Okay, either you get full points assigned to you, whatever 1 or 2 mark, or you will get 0 marks. So it is like objective kind of test. This is not subjective. Unlike the speaking or writing sections, the listening section is not judged subjectively. Okay, so actually, basically, listening and reading, these two sections are objective, not subjective. Correct? Now, coming to point number 2, do examiners listen to your answers? No. You do not speak during the listening exam. You have to listen and you have to correct the or tick mark the correct one. From the MCQ, there will be MCQ, A, B, C options will be there. So you do not speak during the listening exam. You only mark your answers on the answer sheet. As I told you, the examiner does not decide whether your answer is almost correct. The answer sheet will decide. The official answer sheet is decide. That will decide. Only answers that exactly match the official key receive points. Right? So that is not in examiner's hand. Now coming to our point number 3, is there negative marking? You will be wondering. But good news is there is no negative marking in the TELC A2 Hören exam. If you are unsure about an answer, make your best guess. Never leave a question blank. Okay, because then you will get 0 marks for that particular question. Suppose you solve that question and by chance, if your guess is correct, you will get full point, right? So never leave a question blank. A guess may be correct, but a blank answer can never earn points. Now coming to fourth point, do you get partial marks? That is also no. Each question is either correct, basically full point, whatever marks or points are assigned for that particular question, that you will get, okay? Or incorrect is 0. There is no half marks or partial marks. That's why careful listening is so important. You have to listen it very carefully in your TELC A2 Hören exam. Now, common mistakes students make. Many students lose marks because they read the questions too late. Okay, you have to read the question first. Stop listening after hearing one familiar word. Suppose one word they will listen, oh, this is the answer, and they will just leave the further dialogue. But that is not correct because sometimes the answer is somewhere else, right? Change correct answers at the end. That is also wrong because some students, what they think, suppose they marked A, afterwards they will think, no, 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 B is correct, or otherwise C is correct, but that is wrong. Don't change at the last moment. Okay, if you have a strong reason, then only change it. Panic if they miss one answer. Okay, suppose they are not sure about one answer, they will get panic. Oh, how I'll get marks, whether I'll get marks or no, whether I will get good score or not. But don't do that. Don't get panic and go ahead. Forget to transfer answers correctly to the answer sheet. This is also very, very important point. Avoiding these mistakes can significantly improve your score, particularly in Theoren. Now, tips to score higher. How you will score higher. Here are my top tips. Okay. First one is read every question before the recording starts. So I always tell my students that before the audio starts, recording starts, in that available time, you just read the questions. So you know which keywords you should look for. Underline important keywords. Now, if you have read the question, then just underline the important keywords. So you exactly know which keywords to look for. Listen for the meaning, not just individual words. Again, I'm telling the same thing. Don't just understand each and every word, but understand the meaning of the audio, the information from the particular audio. Stay focused even if you miss one answer. This is again my tip. Practice with authentic TELC A2 listening tests because there are some authentic TELC A2 tests are there, mock tests. So you have to solve that. You have to practice those tests. And sixth and the last tip is learn common everyday vocabulary related to shopping, appointments, travel, work, and daily life because these are the most common topics which are used in TELC A2 Tolerance section. So those were some common mistakes and these were my tips to score higher. So I hope this is clear with you. Don't forget to like and share my video and subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel because I'm coming up with all these exam related videos for Goethe as well as TELC exams. So that's all for today, friends. Thank you and bye bye.